What's going on YouTube? I am back today with another video, and today's video is 5 side hustles that you can start using ChatGPT, man. Let's go. Number 1, content creation. I personally use ChatGPT to do all of my Instagram posts, social media posts, and I schedule all of these out, right? So once you learn how to properly prompt ChatGPT to create your content, you can use this for Instagram to create posts, schedule posts, create carousels, create reels, IG stories, whatever you use. You definitely should be using ChatGPT to create content. So if you've done this for yourself, you can use these skills that you've learned from prompting ChatGPT to be able to go find clients, and you charge them to run their social media using ChatGPT to assist you with creating the content. So that's one side hustle that I definitely think is a great one that you can use ChatGPT to start a content creation platform. So you can become a content creation agency and you can provide content for clients and brands who need this content. Number 2, copywriting. Me being somebody that used to own a marketing agency, I used to hire a copywriter. A good copywriter could cost you maybe $60,000 to $80,000 per year if you consistent, especially as a marketing agency owner. But thanks to AI, ChatGPT, you can really prompt and groom this AI to help you with copywriting, right? So I think the problem that people struggle with using AI for copywriting is they don't know how to properly prompt ChatGPT to give them the best results for what they're looking to do. But if you know how to do it right, you can make a lot of money copywriting. So when you're doing copywriting, this could be blog posts, this could be SEO posts, this could be articles written, press releases, all of these things that are needed to have good copy. You can do this service and you can provide your services as a copywriter. So that's number 2, copywriting services. Number 3, you could be a virtual assistant. Now this is a very easy side hustle, and if you do the systems in place correctly, you can be a virtual assistant to help anybody. That could be with phone calls, that could be with emails, that could be with scheduling. This could be you kind of being somebody's personal assistant and booking flights and all of these things. But you should definitely be able to use ChatGPT to be able to be a virtual assistant, man. I think this is one of the easiest side hustles because it's just meaningless tasks that nobody ever want to do. So they always outsource this stuff to a VA. So a virtual assistant is a great way to use ChatGPT to make money. Number 4, language tutoring, right? So I've been seeing this growing trend of people using ChatGPT to do language tutoring, right? So you're helping other people learn different languages, right? And with the assistance of ChatGPT, you can do this flawlessly, man. So you can do this remotely, you can do this in person, you can do this locally. But I think language tutoring is a big market that not many people are talking about, using the AI to help with language tutoring. So that's my 4th one. So my last tip that you can use ChatGPT to start a side hustle is ebook writing, right? I know a lot of people use the ebook as a tool or a lead magnet to get clients into their services, but the ebook writing thing, if you can use ChatGPT, this could be a whole business model. You can use ChatGPT as far as ebook writing. This could be self-help guides, this could be cookbooks, this could be DIY manuals, this could be sci-fi novels, any of that, man. Once your ebook is out there and selling, you potentially could have some passive income, and you can do this for clients, right? No matter what their niche or their industry is, they will be able to provide information through their ebooks, right? So you can be the company who writes ebooks for other business owners or other entrepreneurs, whether that's lawyers, dentists, pediatrics, whatever industry they're in. you can provide ebooks, because these ebooks is what they can use to sell and educate their customers. So that's it, man. That's my top 5 businesses and side hustles that I think you can start using ChatGPT, right? So number 1, content creation. You providing that content for social media, you providing that content for their Facebook, their website, all of that. Number 2, copywriting. So this is big for the businesses who have a blog, right? Who have a newsletter, who have press releases that need to go out. You can basically start a copywriting company with the help of ChatGPT to be able to start providing the services, writing these SEO ranked articles that will help their business get their message out there, right? Number 3, virtual assistant. The virtual assistant thing, I actually am somebody who personally hired virtual assistants. My virtual assistants was in the Philippines, but you can start a whole business with this virtual assistant using ChatGPT as your assistant, right? To be able to do this work, right? Making phone calls, sending emails, replying to customer service, doing IT support. All of these things can be done using ChatGPT once you put them in the right systems. Right? Then number 4, language tutoring, right? This is self-explanatory, right? You got somebody either in your state, out of your state, you can do these virtually. Language tutor, teaching people different languages, right? So you can put this model inside ChatGPT and prompt it to get you what you need to be able to provide this service to clients, right? And lastly, ebook writing. You can write ebooks using ChatGPT if you prompt it correctly. This could be for any industry, any business. This ebook can passively be making this business content because they can be selling this to their customers, right? For me personally, I have an ebook because some people cannot afford my PR agency's monthly retainer, right? If we charge between $3 to $5K a month on how you can get featured in PR and how you can get these press things, well, most people who don't have the budget, $3 to $5K, I created an ebook so I can help them do everything that I would normally charge for, and they can do it themselves. It may take them longer, but it maybe have saved them $3 to $5K if they're willing to invest the time in to learn the steps and the strategies that we do as a PR agency to get them featured and to get them presses and how do we pitch. So the ebook writing, I think that is a whole business in itself that you can offer ebook writing services for businesses, entrepreneurs, influencers, anybody that has a service or base. They can use this ebook as their lead magnet, and you could be the one to write those for them. So that's my top 5, man. I appreciate you guys. I'm gonna be back giving this content, man. I'm gonna be pumping out way more content than I normally do, man. I hate that it's taken me this long to really get back active on my YouTube and giving this value, but I'm back, right? So make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you never miss none of these episodes, man. And I'll see you on the next one.